Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the Minecraft app for free on your iPhone. Now if you want to download the Minecraft app for free on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install it. So after that, you just need to go to App Store on your device. So this is the home page of App Store. Click on the search box at the very bottom right and search for the app called Minecraft. So after searching for the app called Minecraft, here you will see the option of certain amount of dollars which you need to pay. So if you don't want to pay, then you just need to go back to your App Store homepage and click on the option of profile icon at the very top right, and from there click on your name. So after clicking on your name, here you will see the option of Apple account, manage payment, subscription, purchase history, add money to your account, and country and region. So select on the option of country and region, and from here you just need to select the country of China. So search for the country China. Here you will see the option of China mainland, so click on it, and from here you just need to click on the option of agree and change country. Click on the option of continue like this, and make sure to agree to the some services and condition of it, and you may also add your payments if you like. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to install the Minecraft app for free on your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.